Hello student, in this session we find the n term of given arithmetic progression. So here we use formula an is equals to a plus n minus 1 d. So in previous lecture we already studied about first term and common difference, how to find first term and common difference. So nth term we write n term by using symbol an. So here a is first term and d is common difference. D is common difference. So formula for to find n term, that is an is equals to a plus n minus 1 d. By using this information or by using this formula, we find the n term of given list of numbers, or here last term is denoted by small letter L. Suppose am is last term. Am is last term in arithmetic progression. Then this last term, we denote this last term by letter small l. Am is last term and we denote this last term by letter small l. So you remember these 3 points. So by using this we solve some examples in exercise 5.2. So first example is, which term of AP which term of AP 3, 8, 13, 18, and so on is 78. So we have to find which term. This is A1, A2, A3, A4. So which term here, which term is 78? That is, here we given an is equals to 78. Let an is equals to 78 here. So by using this we have to find the value of n, that is which term is 78. So we have to find here term. So here first term a is equals to 3, common difference d is equals to, formula for common difference is a2 minus a1, that is 8 minus 3, 8 minus 3 5. So common difference is equals to 5. So by using this formula, n term formula, that is an is equals to a plus n minus 1 d. By using this formula we find the value of n. So here value of an is equals to 78 given, value of a is equals to 3 plus n minus 1, value of d is equals to 5. So here n minus 1 into 5 we write as it is, here plus 3 becomes minus 3 when we take this plus 3 on left side, that is 78 minus 3, 78 minus 3 75, 75 is equals to n minus 1 into 5. So n minus 1 is equals to 75, this 5 is multiply, when we take that side it becomes divide. So 75 upon 5, 75 upon 5 is 15. Here n minus 1 is equals to 15. So here value of n is equals to 15 plus 1. 15 plus 1 is equals to 16. So value of n is equals to 16. That is, here an is equals to 78 given, that is a16, that is 16 term is 78 in given arithmetic progression. So a16 is equals to 78 in given arithmetic progression. So by using this we solve your second example. Find the number of term in each of the following AP. In each of following AP, you have to find the number of term in given AP. So first AP is 7, 13, 19 and so on. and the last term is 205 is given. So we have to find the number of terms in the given arithmetic progression. So let us consider the n term. So there are n term in AP. We don't know how many terms, so let there are n term in AP. So here we write the value of A is equals to 7, value of D. Here already this list of number, that is here this list of number is given as arithmetic progression. So we directly write here first term and common difference. So D is equals to 13 minus 7, that is second term minus first term. So second term minus first term, so we get value of D is equals to 6, that is the common difference is equals to 6. Here last term is given, that is nth term. We write this as n term. An is equals to 205. An is equals to 205 is given. So we use here n term of AP formula, that is An is equal to A plus n minus 1 D. So here we write value of An is equal to 205, value of A is equals to 7 plus n minus 1 D, value of D is equals to 6. So 205 minus 7 is equals to n minus 1 into 6. So we subtract this 7 from 205. 205 minus 7. So here subtraction is 198 is equals to n minus 1 into 6. Here we divide this 198 by 6. 198 divided by 6 is equals to n minus 1. So when we divide this 198 by 6, then we find the value of n. So 198 divided by 6, this minus 1 becomes plus 1 is equals to n. When we simplify this, we divide this number by 6. 6 3s are 18. So 6 3s are 18. So 33 plus 1. So n is equal to 33 plus 1. That is n is equals to 34. So we get value of n is equals to 34 here. Next example number 3. Check whether minus 115 is a term of AP. So we have to check here. This minus 150 is a term of AP, and AP is given 11, 8, 5, 2, and so on. So we given here arithmetic progression 11, 8, 5, 2, and so on. So we have to check here minus 150 is term of this AP. So by using this information, we write here first term. First term A is equals to 11. Then common difference D is equal to 8 to minus 7, that is 8 minus 11. 8 minus 11 is equals to minus 3. And here we have to find which term is minus 150, that is this an given. This number is an is equal to minus 150. So by using formula we find value of n, that is an is equals to A plus n minus 1 D. Value of an is minus 150 is equals to value of A is 11 plus n minus 1, value of D is minus 3. Next, here minus 150 minus 11, this plus 11 become minus 11 is equals to n minus 1 into minus 3. So subtraction of these two number is 161, and sign is minus minus minus. is equals to n minus 1 into minus 3. So here we divide minus 161 by minus 3 is equals to n minus 1. So minus minus plus 161 divided by 3 into n minus 1. So here 161 upon 3, this minus 1 become plus 1 is equals to n. So we get here 161 plus 3 into 1, 3 divided by 3 is equals to n. So here value of n is equal to 161 plus 3, 164 upon 3. So this is value of n is equals to 164 upon 3. So we find this value in fraction, n is equals to 164 upon 3. So which is not an integral part. So this is not an integral number. This is not a integral number. Hence this 150 is not term of AP. This is not integral number. So here this minus 150 is not term of AP. Is not term of AP. That is 150 is not term of AP. This is not term of AP.